Okay, so let's begin with our class. And remember, Didi said we are going to do an activity. Yeah, so let's do an activity now. I want all of y'all to go and quickly get a toy. Quickly get your favorite toy from the house. Go. See, I have got my toy. So this is my favorite toy that I have got. So quickly get your favorite toy and come and sit back in your places. Come on. Okay, now that you all have your toys, okay, what we are going to do is we are going to take our toy, okay, and we are going to keep your. और अभी हम जो जो करेंगे ना, हम दीदी आपको एक एक्शन बोलेगी. You have to do that action, and then we also have to tell our toys to do that action. Okay, ready? Very good. Yes, I can see you have got a what do you say, a gas stove, Shreya?
Yes, Didi.
Yes, yes. ठीक है. So ready everyone? So first action is nod your head. Nod your head. Nod your head everyone. See, I can nod my head. करो. Nod your head. Okay, now it's my toy's turn. Okay, it's my toy's turn. Okay, this is इसका नाम पैच है. So I'm going to ask Patch to nod his head. आप भी आपके टॉय को बोलो. Come on, Patch, nod your head. मुझे नहीं हिलाना है. पैच खुद करेगा. ये खुद करेगा. मैं थोड़ी ना करूंगी. ओके, ये नहीं कर रहा है. आपका टॉय. Can your toy nod his head?
No.
No. Okay. Everyone laugh. Come on. Now it's our turn. Laugh. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Okay, now let's ask our toys to laugh. Now let's ask our toys to laugh. Can everyone please go on mute? Okay. Now let's ask our toy. Come on. Laugh. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Is your toy laughing? Yes, no,
No.
no.
Yes.
Whose toy is laughing?
No.
No. Yes, Sonakshi. Okay. Next action. Next action, okay? I want all of y'all to stand up and move around. Stand up and run around. Come on, quickly. Stand up and run around. I'm also running around. Come on, stand up and run around. Come on, Aradhya. Come on, fast, fast. Stand up and run around. Okay, run, 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 run. Okay, now you all sit down. Come on, sit down. हमारा टर्न हो गया. Okay, now our turn is over. Finish. Chaitra, come back. Faisal, come back. Okay, our turn is over. Okay, हमारा turn हो गया. Now it's our toy's turn. It's our toy's turn to run. Come on. I'm telling my toy. You also tell your toy to run around. Come on, Patch. Run around. Go, Patch. Patch, go run around. Is your toy running around?
Yes.
किसका टॉय रन अराउंड कर रहा है?
Yes,
अनुष.
me.
अनुष, रिमोट नीचे. अच्छा, रिमोट नीचे रख के बोलो कार को रन अराउंड. कीप द रिमोट डाउन. हाँ, अभी टच मत करो कार को. नाउ टेल योर कार रन अराउंड. Is your car running around? No, even my patch is not running around.
No.
Shreya, is your gas stove running around? No? Yeah. My toy is also not running around. आराध्या, अगर आप tortoise को छोड़ दोगे, leave the tortoise. हाँ, आराध्या, now tell your tortoise to run around.
कह रही है क्या ये घूमता है? नहीं. कोई खिलौना चलता है? नहीं.
Yes, very good, Harsh.
ये बोलता है? नहीं. मैम कह रही very good. हाँ.
Very good, yes, very good. Okay, now y'all say hi to your toy. Hi बोलो toy के साथ. Hi, Patch. अभी टॉय ने आपको बोला हाय? टॉय ने आपसे बात किया? नहीं ना? या नहीं बात किया. Okay, now we can keep our toys back. Okay, let's put the toys away now. Abhi no toys in our hand, okay? Now let's see what do we have. So we did an activity and now it's our thinking time, okay? Now I want all of y'all to think, what did we just observe? हमने क्या observe किया? What did we see? Let's take 2 minutes. Let's take 2 minutes and think कि हमने क्या observe किया when we were doing this activity with our toys. What did we observe? क्या हो रहा था हमारे activity में?
कितने जनों का माई बने? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 बार चालू कर दो. दीदी टॉय को ऑर्डर दे दीजिए. टॉय सुन रहा नहीं था.
Oh, well, thank you, Laiba. So toy wasn't listening to the instructions. Yeah, so toy wasn't following the instructions. What else did we observe? What else did we observe? Pranav, you're very quiet today. Yeah, Neha has written in the chat box action. They were not following the action. और क्या observe किया हमने?
दीदी, I'm not feeling well.
Oh, you're not feeling well, Pranav. No problem. That's okay. Yeah, you take care.
हम रन कर रहे थे तो हमारा टॉय रन नहीं कर रहा था.
हम रन कर रहे तो हमारा टॉय नहीं रन कर रहा था. Yes. So again, हाँ. Yes, Anush.
हम लाफिंग कर रही थी तो हमारा टॉय भी लाफिंग नहीं कर रहा था.
हाँ, when we were laughing, when we were running around, our toys they weren't doing that. है ना? हाँ. Why do you think? क्यों नहीं हमारे toys follow कर रहे थे instructions? We all were able to do it.
टीचर वो क्योंकि ध्यान नहीं दे रहे थे.
वो ध्यान नहीं देते हैं?
नो दीदी.
Okay, one at a time. Let me tag you all. Wait a minute. Okay, Chaitra, why do you think? लेकर फिर जिएंगे कैसे अपन? हाँ, Chaitra.
There are not life.
Thank you, Chaitra. Chaitra, life. Can you explain what do you mean by life? They don't have life. Okay. Someone said non-living. What do you mean by? Yes. Okay. So some of you all are saying, yeah, we are living. We are living and our toys, they don't have life. As Chaitra said, हमारे toys में life नहीं है. The way we have life, we can move around, we can walk, we can laugh, we can eat, we can do everything on our own. But our toys, they can't do it because they don't have life in them. And what are such things called who do not have life in them? Someone already said it. जिसमें लाइफ नहीं होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Unliving. Non-living things.
Yes, they are called non-living things. And what about us? What are we? हम क्या है?
Living things.
Living things. Yes.
Living thing. Living
Yes.
thing.
Thank you. What do you think then? What could be our topic of this month? What are we going to? Thank you. Yes, that was a correct guess. So,
all living things.
Living things and non-living things. Yes, very good. Now, can you tell me?
Non-living things.
Yes, yes. Now, can you tell me? You all are saying that, you know, we are living. ठीक है, आपने सबने बोला कि we are living and the toys were non-living. So, what makes us living things? What are the things that makes us living thing? What do we do that makes us living? Thinking time. Let's take 1 minute to think and then you all can answer. 1 minute, bacha. You all can use the chat option, okay? Use the chat box to type your answers or wait for your turn.
दीदी क्योंकि वो सोच रहा है.
Not this picture. I'm saying us. You all agreed that we are living. हमारे toys are non-living and we are living because we have life. So what are some of the other things जो हमें living बनाती है? What makes us living?
पापा इधर आओ. ये पापा इधर आओ. क्या बोलते हो?
Faisal is saying living action. So okay, so living things, they do action. Chaitra is saying food. Chaitra, can you explain that point? What do you mean by food?
फूड खाएंगे तो हम जीवेंगे.
Thank you, Chaitra. Yeah, see, we all need food. हम सबको food चाहिए ना, so that makes us living. Yeah, that makes us living thing. Yeah, yes, Satyam, we do action, so that makes us living thing. Laiba, you have written tree. What do you?
तो हम weak हो जाते हैं.
Yeah, if you don't eat food, you will become weak. You will not have energy to do any work. Okay, Neha ने लिखा है home. Neha, can you explain? What do you mean by home? Neha, can you unmute yourself? Neha? Okay. Fine. So very good, children. You shared some of the things that the living things do, right? Living things, they need water. Living things, they need food. Living things, they do action. Yeah. And there are a lot of other things also that living things do, which we will be learning in this whole month. Okay. So not to worry. You all have written beautiful answers. Okay. Pranav has written living things can breathe. Wow. Can we all breathe? हम सब सांस लेते हैं. We all breathe. Can our toys breathe?
No.
हमारा गैस स्टोव, हमारी remote control car, can they all breathe? Do they breathe on their own? Or do they breathe?
No.
They don't breathe. Yes, thank you, Pranav. That was a very good point. So yeah, these are some of the things that our living things can do. Now, can you tell me some of the living things? Laiba has already answered in the chat box. I'll ask Laiba to unmute herself and tell me. और कौन से लिविंग थिंग्स है? हम तो लिविंग थिंग्स है. और कौन से लिविंग थिंग्स है हमारे आजू बाजू में? हर्ष, would you like to answer? Harsh and Mummy, up, tell me what are some of the other living things that we have around us? Anyway, you don't have to tell me, Didi, ये है. आपको जो लगता है वो, and then we can discuss. Okay, there are no right and wrong answers. Feel free to answer. It's okay if we are making mistakes. Akila, would you like to answer? Akila? Akila, are we living things? You, me, all your friends, are we living things? Akila?
Yes, Didi.
Yes, Didi, right? Because there were few actions that Didi asked you all to do, you were able to do that action. Now tell me, are there any other living things that you have around you? Okay, Ria, would you like to answer? आपके जैसे कोई और लिविंग थिंग्स है आजू बाजू में? There is no one in the house also.
Check me, Rika.
1 minute, let me check.
Yes.
Yeah, I've seen Neha has written, Karthik has written. Karthik, would you like to unmute and answer? Karthik? Okay. Okay, I'll read the chat. Your friends have written few answers. I can see animals, cat, tree, bird, trees, dog, birds. Chaitra has written mummy. Your mother is another living thing, no, around you. All the people staying in your house. Okay, birds, dog, sister, brother. Very good. Yeah. So these are some of the living things that are around you. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Okay. So our today's topic, our today's objective that we are going to learn in today's classes, that we will be observing and identifying living things, and we will be listing down the common characteristics of living things. Okay, characteristics means अभी आपने जो जो living things दीदी को बताया ना, trees, dog, animal, mummy, brother, sister, all these living things. So we are going to find out the common qualities among them. What are something that are similar among all the living things? Okay, so that we are going to list down today. So these are the two things that we will be doing. And as you guessed correct, our today's theme of the month is living and non-living things. Okay. So now let's do another activity. I will be showing you all pictures. Okay. If you feel they are living things, you will show me thumbs up. If you feel they are non-living things, you show me thumb down. Okay? Thumbs up and thumb down. Can we do that? Okay, let's do it. Okay, first picture, grandparents. Grandparents. Grandparents are living or non-living?
Yes. Living.
Okay, they are living.
Living.
Okay.
Living. Living.
Okay, let's take a pause. Can we all wait for Didi to call out your name? Yeah, please wait for Didi. Okay, next I want Afzal. Afzal to answer. Elephant. Afzal, elephant is living or non-living?
Living.
Pranav, 2 minutes. Pranav. Wait. It's Afzal's turn. Afzal, it's living or non-living? Living. Okay. Next, we have car. I want who has an answer. Satyam. Satyam?
No living.
Satyam?
दीदी मैं बोलूं क्या?
बच्चा wait हाँ. Yeah, Satyam.
Sorry ma'am.
Satyam, it's living or non-living?
Non-living. Living.
Yes, it's
Non-living.
non-living. Very good. Okay, plant. What about plants? Niyati, can you answer?
Yes.
हाँ बोलो नियति.
Yes, Didi.
Niyati, is this living or non-living? Plants?
No living. Non-living.
No living. Non-living. Okay, why do you think plants?
It is living thing.
It is living thing?
No.
Okay, fine. Let's find out. Let's find out.
Living thing.
Okay, we'll come back to this. Okay, हम लोग वापस आएंगे इसके पास. If it's living or non-living. Okay, who is saying it's living thing? Plants are living thing. Who is saying this?
No living. But non
Someone
living.
said. Acha, Chaitra, why do you think it's living thing? Chaitra, why do you think plants are living things?
A tree is the green, glowing, growing.
Yes.
मैंने देखा था उसको जब भी तो वो बेंट हो जाता है.
Yes, yes. Thank you. You guys are so smart. So, okay. So the children who were saying that trees, plants, they are non-living. Just now Chaitra shared, Chaitra, Pranav, they shared that trees also they grow. The plants they grow. Okay, let's watch a short video to see how plants grow. ठीक है? हमारे toys grow होते हैं. From small, do they become big? Slowly,
No.
do they become big? No, right? Our plants, our toys don't grow, but our plants grow. Do we grow? हम grow होते हैं?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, I can see Laiba showing me thumbs up. Yes. We grow. Even plants grow. So plants are living things. Okay, let's watch a short video. Give me a minute. So did we see in the video how the plants grow? Yeah. So now plants are living or non-living?
Living.
Living. Yes, because they also grow,
मैं
right?
बताओ दीदी मैं बताओ
Okay, last one. 1 minute. 1 minute, bacha. Last picture. Who hasn't answered? Ria. Ria, can you answer? Books, are they living or non-living?
non-living.
Okay, it's Ria's turn. Ria, unmute yourself.
Non-living दीदी.
Okay, very good. Can you tell me why non-living?
दीदी.
Why non-living?
क्योंकि ये हिल नहीं सकती. ये ना है CANCEL.
Why non-living?
क्योंकि हिल नहीं सकती. वो हम पढ़ाई के लिए लेते हैं. वो खाना नहीं खाते, पानी
Yes. They don't eat food. They don't move around the way you can run around. What else?
Yes,
Can they grow? Can they grow? Can they grow on their own?
No.
Grow मतलब बड़े होते हैं. Plants को हमने वीडियो में कैसे देखा ना? That they grow from seed, they became a plant, and from plant they'll become a big tree.
No grow.
Daksh, can the books grow?
Yes,
No, right. The books can't grow. So this is non-living thing. Thank you, Ria, for answering. Okay. Now, the pictures that you see in front of you are the living things that you all have said, right? There are animals, there are birds, there are plants, there are people,
बस ये नाम
there are trees.
अभी मेरा वो आएगा मतलब
Okay.
लड़कियों नहीं भेजते ऐसे.
Chetna, can you go?
अभी आएगा ना मेरा. ये देखो अभी आने वाला. देखो अभी आएगा.
Okay. So these are some of the living things that we have here. Okay. We have people, mommy, papa, brother, sister. We have people here, birds and animals. Now look at all these things and tell me what are some of the things that are common, similar. क्या है जो ये सारे living things करते हैं? Remember we were talking about the characteristics. So what are the characteristics that you observe in all of these living things?
दीदी.
Okay, 1 minute. Let's take 1 minute to think first and then we can write.
Eating, drinking.
1 minute. हाँ.
Living करती है.
1 minute. Bacha, see what happens now when you all answer at the same time. Didi can't understand who is talking. Okay. So let's wait. हाँ. चलो.
दीदी क्लास कब खत्म होएगा?
10 o'clock, bacha. 10 o'clock. Okay. Payal, can you tell me? Payal, can you tell me what are some of the similar things that you see all these living things doing?
Payal. दीदी रिपीट करना.
Okay. हम ये सारे जो living things देख रहे हैं, okay? What are some of the common things that these living things can do?
ये पत्तों का गिलना.
सारे सब में पत्ते हैं, सारे पत्ते गिरते हैं।
नहीं
आप लोग you all have already told me a lot of things. So
क्योंकि वो खराब हो जाते हैं।
हाँ, रक्षित 1 minute है बचा। You join now, Rakshit.
Yes, दीदी।
Okay. Rakshit, wait for your turn, okay? What are some of the things that these living things do? Common.
They are eating and eating.
They all, yes, thank you. I can see Harsh has also typed his answer. Harsh, would you like to unmute and share?
Eating. Eating.
Very good.
Eating.
Very good. Yeah, so the living things they eat. Yes, they need food. So should I write they need food? सब living things को food चाहिए.
मैम ने कहा हाथ में लिखा है इसलिए हर बोलोगी.
Okay, next I can see Faisal has typed his answer. Faisal has written that they grow. Okay, so the living things they grow. ये जो सारे living things हैं, people, animals, plants, trees, birds, they all grow. कोई भी नहीं है जो ऐसे उतना ही रहता है. We start as babies, then we become big humans. Okay, big people. So we all grow. Very good. Thank you, Faisal. What else do we do? Sonakshi, I haven't heard from you.
Talking. Sounds.
Okay, they talk. ठीक है, they talk. Yes. What else?
Drinking.
They drink water, drink juices.
Drinking.
Okay, I see only one child answering. Sonakshi, is that you?
पागल है ये